McCaffrey here with MedWrench, and we are tuning in from the ICE conference in Scottsdale, Arizona. And I just stopped by the Maull Biomedical booth to speak with my friend Steve. So Steve, can you just take a second to tell everyone what exactly it is that Maull Biomedical does?
Yep. What we do is we do contrast injector service training for biomeds. We take them all the way through the training process. We start off assuming they don't know anything about contrast injectors. It's 3 parts. There's an introduction to contrast injectors part, there is an operational training part, and then there's a PM, calibration, repair part of the training that we do.
Okay, so what made you decide to start Maull Biomedical?
Back in 2008, I was doing work for another company, and Aramark actually came to me and asked me if I could find service training that they were looking for. And they gave me a list of modalities that they were looking to have trained on. And there were things like ultrasound, infusion pumps, training that was already out there. But one of the things that they requested were contrast injectors. And I looked high and low for contrast injector training, couldn't find it anywhere. And I was wondering why that is, because contrast injectors are really very simple. I wondered what I was missing. How come nobody does contrast injectors? You can't swing a dead cat without finding an ultrasound training company. There's all sorts of X-ray training companies. There's companies that teach MRI, but nobody does this stupid little pump. I was wondering what the issue was. And I remember thinking, I bet I could do that. But then, I was hesitating to jump in with both feet because I was wondering, what is it I don't know? What am I not seeing that I don't want to do this, and all of a sudden, oh, that's why nobody does this. So after about 3 or 4 months of thinking about it, I decided, you know what, I'm just going to take a run at it and do it myself.
Been doing it ever since.
Been doing it ever since.
How many years now?
12. Yeah, we started in 2008. Yep. It'll be 12 years this summer.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So I know you guys don't actually put out a training schedule like most companies that offer training in the industry. Why is that?
The reason for that is our training schedule is actually it's organic. We don't say, yeah, we're going to do a training in this city on this date and then just wait for people to come in. One of the great aspects of our training is that we will come to the hospital departments wherever they're located. If they have 4 more students, we will bring the entire show on the road. We bring the equipment, the tools, test equipment, the manuals, the computers with the software, everything to them. So we're constantly getting phone calls saying, hey, can you come to this city and do a class here for us? We have 4 people or more. Can you do a class here? We say yes. So when we set a date, like say March 30th in Denver, then we'll tell the whole world, hey, we're doing a class in Denver on this date, and then we let other biomeds, generally in that area or time zone, join that. So our training schedule is just constantly, I don't want to say evolving, but I mean I don't know where I'm going to be teaching 3 months from now, but 2 months from now we will have a schedule 3 months from now. So it's constantly just rolling along as the year goes on, constantly updating. And then, whenever a new city comes up, we just email everybody, and then they start registering.
That's great. It sounds like you make it really easy for your students.
That's the whole point. Yes, we try.
Good deal. So do you have anything new or exciting coming up?
We do, actually. One of the things that I wanted to get more, do more in the training aspect was troubleshooting and repair. We do talk about troubleshooting and repair in our class to some extent, but it wasn't in great detail because actually there's multiple companies. The main company that we push is Injector Support and Service. They're really, really good with technical support. They have parts. So I give all of our students the name of that company. They can call me, they can call Injector Support and Service. There's another company that I give the students names of that they can contact for help. But I did want to get more into the troubleshooting that the students could actually leave with knowledge and help for the actual troubleshooting portion. So what we did was, over the years, we've just compiled hundreds and hundreds of additional error codes and error messages that you won't find in the manufacturer's literature. And we've come up with the error codes and error messages, and not only the messages, but the actual solutions to each. Many of them have multiple solutions, and we list them in order, most likely to least likely, that will actually be the fix to the problem. And a lot of them we've actually developed videos, how-to videos for, if it's to change out the MS motor, here's a video, on the software there's a link, click, and pops up a video how to pull out the MS video. So that's really the big thing coming up that's going to be in our software real soon.
I love that. That reminds me of the MedWrench forums, trying to get answers to error codes and issues that you're facing. I love that you
Exactly.
provide that as well. So.
Yeah.
Thank you everyone for tuning in. I had so much fun speaking with Steve today. As always, if you'd like to learn more about Maull Biomedical, you can visit them online, or you can give them a call. So Steve, what is that contact information?
No, I have no idea.
MaullBiomedical.com.
MaullBiomedical.com, and the phone number is 440-724-7511. The email is Steve, STEVE, at MaullBiomedical.com.
There you go. Thanks everyone. See you next time.